July 1st, 7:10 a.m. and I'm about to have my breakfast. Oatmeal with some Milo and mixed nuts and banana. I just updated my journal and listed my workouts for my June birthday month 30-day challenge. I was able to do it mostly daily, and just a couple of days where I got sick and wasn't able to exercise. I finished my breakfast and now I'm having my morning coffee. So I thought I'd just share some of my reflections about the 30-day challenge. So what I like about it the most is the consistency. I found myself being intentional about my workouts. Knowing that it's a 30-day challenge, I knew that for that day I will be doing my exercise, my workout. So if it's a busy day, I had to plan ahead. If I will do the workout in the morning or after work, and know what my routine would be to fit in my schedule. The mindset that I'd be doing the workout every day really helps a lot. One drawback would be for challenges like this, especially for beginners, is the no rest day. If you're training to improve yourself, like improve your strength or to gain some muscle, you need rest days. Your body has to recover. For me, for my level, since I've been doing this for 4 years now, the 100 burpees could be an active recovery day for me. Yeah, but maybe for beginners, if you're new to exercising, don't do the I won't recommend no rest days. At least fit in one day of rest day. Yeah, because that's when your body will heal and get stronger. But if you're already doing it, you're not a couch potato anymore, you're already able to do consistent training, then go ahead, do the 30-day challenge, because it's one way to push yourself, and the feeling of achieving the goal is amazing and would really highly motivate you. Yeah, so overall I think it was a success. I was able to meet my goal of bringing back the consistency and bringing back burpees and going back to YouTube. So even if I missed 2 days, I think the lesson there is to, even if there's setbacks, keep going with your goals. For July, I'll go ahead and do the July challenge. So another month of no rest days. So I probably play around the beginner and intermediate level. So between 100 to 300 burpees. And then Monday, Wednesday, Friday would be pull-up days, so I'll be doing at least 50 to 100 pull-ups between intermediate and advanced, because it would align with my goals to increase my pull-up reps. And then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, burpee with 30-minute run, which aligns to my goal also to get back to running, because I stopped for a while due to the weather. We've been having humid days, hot days. So that's my update. Thank you for joining me on my 30-day challenge in July. I'm not sure if I'd be posting the whole burpee routine or the whole workouts, but definitely there will be highlights video for the day. So that's it for me. I'm gonna finish my coffee, then start working. Salud!